Hi everybody, this is Jurek and welcome back to my real estate investing adventures. Today I'm in front of a Chili's, and as you can tell, the Chili's closed up. So as you're looking for real estate in different markets, different areas, would it be important to maybe know how the economy is in that given area? How are jobs? Who are the employers? What type of salaries and hourly wage are they paying? If you see a lot of fast food type of restaurants close up or quick service restaurants close up, is the economy doing okay or is it retrenching? When I saw the closed up Chili's, those are questions that I asked. So as you're looking at areas to invest in, to do buy, fix, and flip or rentals, understand what the employment rate is, understand what's going on in the community, and often if you see places close up, one place may be just due to other issues, but if you see a lot of different businesses closing up, that can be an issue. So until next time, go make it happen, go make your dreams a reality. Take care, believe and achieve. Bye-bye.